I think it's time to eat. What y'all think? Man, look how pretty that look. We about to smoke up some Cornish hens. We got them washed, we got them clean. Gonna throw them on the smoker. We're gonna do them two different ways. I'm gonna do two with traditional barbecue rub, and then I'm gonna do two with the old Jamaican rub. All right, let's get them all bindered up with some olive oil. Yeah, get that going first. Should be a pretty fast cook, no more than 2 hours. Let them simmer at our favorite temperature, about 250 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle these up. Just a little tad of Lorry's. And then hit them with this pork barrel barbecue rub. This is pretty good. And I'm using it because I had it a while. I usually make my own rubs. But I had this one a while. And I just want to go ahead and use it up before it expires. Don't want to waste no money, y'all. And that's it. The barbecue side is seasoned up. Now we're going to do the jerk side. We got this Busher Brown. Let this sit on here for a few. You know, I'm up early in the morning. So, right around lunchtime, about 2 o'clock, I'm going to throw these on. Massaged up in there. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to let these sit for a few hours. About 2-3 hours. Get that smoking. We're going to come back. We're going to get on outside, y'all. For a winter day, it is extremely nice out here. All right, we got some smoky goodness going, baby. Some smoky goodness. Cornish hens. All right, the two regular barbecue ones. And the two jerk ones. What you know about that, baby? What you know about that? Slather a little more of this on there. So with these here, about 2 hours. Get it up to about 165. Yeah, we're just gonna let it roll right here, right around this 220 mark. Let it get up to 225. We're just gonna let it cruise.
2 hours later.
hmm I think it's time to eat. What y'all think? See if we follow the directions. Ooh, we good and ready. We good and ready. 64, 63, 164, 165. These babies coming off. Ooh-wee. Look how pretty that look. All that juice. All right, we're gonna let these babies cool down. Man. Whew. It's gonna be time to eat, baby. Dinner time. Ooh, those things look so pretty. Gotta have me a little rice. Yeah. I'm gonna eat before her. Cause it's my show. Yeah. This the regular barbecue smoke one. Let's see what we got. It's the jerk one. Ooh, look at all that juice running from it. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh man. Cornish hens, baby. They beating out chicken and turkey. Now let's see how this jerk one tastes. I don't know which way to go. Either way, you can't lose. Hey, y'all. Ooh, it's so good. Hey, don't forget to try this recipe, Cornish Hens. They cheap, but for all four of them, it's like $20 or, 10 bucks per 2-pack. Man, appreciate y'all for watching. Get outside, cook, have y'all some fun. Eat up, baby. That's what I'm about to do. All right, catch y'all on the next one. Bye.